Here I am in a lovely environment and it feels so peaceful here. And I wanted to tell you guys that I have found some solutions for a technical problem. Maybe you're facing it right now. So check the video, and if it helps you, if it really helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel. It will help me a lot. Bye! The video help you? I hope it did, and if it did really, please consider subscribing my channel. I would appreciate your support in this lovely weather. See you later again. Bye.